Hello and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. Unprecedented tranquility surrounds Ripple lawsuit as crucial milestone approaches. Reactions from the XRP community. After a year of litigation, Ripple prevailed in a dispute filed by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Two of these triumphs are rulings that exempt XRP from the classification of a security and decisions that deny the SEC's request for an interlocutory appeal. In addition, the Securities and Exchange Commission withdrew all outstanding charges against Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen as we entered the year 2024. Less discussion of the matter has been happening on social media, suggesting that nothing is happening. Fred Takes a Chance Pillai, a lawyer and participant in the Ripple case, draws attention from the XRP community to the noteworthy lack of conflict surrounding the matter. It is anticipated that the damages discovery procedure will conclude on February 12. It is remarkable that the SEC has not yet filed any discovery motions, given the tense nature of this action. I expect to see one within the next week or two. The third person, dated January 8, 2020, 44, is Frederick Barley. Jeremy Hogan, an attorney specializing in XRP enthusiast, shares this view. He has voiced his dismay at the remarkably slow pace of public engagement. Risk Polly speculates that the SEC may be refocusing its attention on other initiatives or shakedowns because to the unusually low level of activity in the litigation. The crucial date is quickly approaching due to the ruling that specific sales by institutions were actually sales of securities. We are now in the remedial stage of the Ripple litigation, where the court will determine the remedies that will be implemented in light of this verdict. This being considered, given the gravity of the continuing legal struggle, the next major milestone in the litigation will be the completion of the discovery process relating to remedies on February 12, 2024. Legal expert Rispoli expects the Securities and Exchange Commission to file discovery motions at least 1 week before the deadline, and he expressed surprise that no motions have been filed yet. He predicts that one of two things will happen. Following the SEC's acquisition and review of the discovery it seeks, the parties will reach a final agreement. It is possible that the discovery process will go on until the remedies briefing concludes on April 29, as suggested by Rispoli. If this does not happen, it is expected that a decision regarding the resolution of the State Securities and Exchange Commission's experienced litigation will be announced in early summer, with a final target year of 2024. Regardless, Grayscale's digital large-cap fund, one of its biggest investment products by assets under management, has re-added XRP. To rub salt in the wound, are there any imminent plans to introduce an XRP exchange-traded fund? Linda Jones, a Wall Street financial specialist, has highlighted XRP's great potential, and now everyone is worried that the assets could soon be worth a crazy amount of money. In addition, we will examine the reasons why April 2024 will be a momentous month for Ripple and XRP, while the cryptocurrency payment startup carries on with its legal battles with the SEC. As we move forward with our investigation, this will be considered. Lastly, the link to the pre-IPO investment platform has shown trends that companies like Ripple that are planning to go public in 2020 should be aware of. With your help, I will go over each of these tendencies. Earlier today, a press release was made public. This data was supplied by the digital asset investment firm. The disclosure, which was made public Wednesday night in a news release by the digital asset investment firm, detailed a quarterly rebalancing of multiple investment products offered by Grayscale. A few examples of these goods are the X Ethereum Fund, the Grayscale Smart Contract Platform, and the Grayscale Digital Large Cap Funds. The announcement was significant because it revealed that the Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund, created to give investors access to a selection of the most valuable cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, included coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Polygon Card, Dano, and Avalanche. Avalanche and XRP tokens are part of the quarterly rebalancing move, but the firm admitted in their most recent announcement that they sold off some components to obtain more of them. After that, XRP was reintroduced to the fund and eventually replaced Metic money. As a result, XRP now accounts for 2.54% of the overall market value. Just below Bitcoin 69.1, Ethereum 21.9, and Solana 3.6 in terms of market capitalization is the fund in question. In terms of assets under management, the DDLC fund is third largest among all investment products on Grayscale, with an incredible $378.04 million. Never forget that Grayscale had XRP in the fund before the SEC filed its case against Ripple and its staff. Nevertheless, Grayscale removed XRP from the fund on January 4, 2021, after Ripple was cited by the regulatory agency for allegedly engaging in unregistered securities offers. This led to massive sell-offs in XRP and a reduction in its market valuation. Despite the continuing legal dispute, the corporation increased its fund assets by using the proceeds from the sale of its XRP shares. Requests to reinstate the asset have been pouring into Grayscale since the momentous ruling in July 2023, which deemed XRP considered a non-security. It's worth noting that these demands emerged concurrently with the relisting of XRP Grayscale by prominent US-based exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken. XRP reiterated in its most recent release that the ruling helped it meet the criteria for admission to the GGLC fund. Can XRP still be included in an exchange-traded fund? XRP supporters are ecstatic with the latest development, and some are even anticipating the prospect of an XRP-related spot exchange-traded fund. Notably, prominent asset managers have been considering Bitcoin and Ethereum as potential spot ETFs, but XRP has received comparatively little attention, despite being the sole alternative cryptocurrency with US legal certainty. Many in the industry have wondered why large asset managers like BlackRock have not been actively working to create an XRP spot ETF. The exposure of a fake BlackRock shares XRP ETF in November of last year caused XRP's price to rise. Also, after it was found out that the goods was fake, the value of the tokens dropped. In the past, Grayscale had sponsored a crypto watch display on CNBC, which allowed viewers to see how Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP prices were covered by CNBC. This added gasoline to the fire of speculation that in reaction to the SEC's complaint, an XRP exchange-traded fund that anticipates Grayscale's arrival in January 2021 also sold its XRP trust. After the investing firm reintroduced the Bitcoin asset to the DDLC fund. Many are waiting for the debut of an SF exchange-traded fund that will own XRP, according to market experts. However, the business has not yet hinted at the possibility of such a product's existence. In what comes next in the film, we shall explore this subject in further depth. Make sure you subscribe to our channel before you leave a comment. See you later, bye.